Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Hazy Code. Today in this video we are going to see how to customize your button in Android Studio, and we will also see that there is a new update in our Android Studio. From Android Studio version 4.1 you cannot change the button color directly from your drawable resource file. You need to use something called as background tint. So we will see further in our video. So let's first create our drawable resource file that we are gonna use to customize our button background. Right now I'm going to name it as custom button layout. Root element will be layer list, and our directory name will be obviously drawable. So here our custom drawable resource file has been created. We need an item, shape, rectangle, and here we will add our customization. For example, if you want a rounded corner radius, you can use corner attribute and give it a radius of your desired size. Right now I'm going to give it as 10 dp for example. And I'm going to give it a gradient shade just for example. You will be able to see that even though I'm going to choose color in our gradient shade, even though that it won't change color in our actual button. So for that I will show you how to do it. Right now I am giving it as black color for example, and let's see our actual button layout. And here you can see our button has been upgraded and our gradient style also has been applied, but our color is still the same. For that you need to use background tint. And for example I'm giving it a red color. So here you can see that our color has been set. Just remember that from Android Studio version 4.1 you cannot directly change the background color of your button in Android. So for that you need to use background tint. Also remember that system is gonna suggest you background tint with Android, but we need actually app colon background tint, and here you can give your color code. So you can see that our color has been changed. Let me show you our output in our app. Here you can see that our style has been applied. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.